Welcome back to the Kansas City Southern Union Pacific N-scale layout. A little action at Palco Junction today. A monster grain train has been held to allow this coal train you see to the left cross over in front of it and go up the rock line. Dispatcher just gave a signal, so let's check it out. Coal train's running 2x1 today to make it up the hill. Got 2 UPs on the point and a KCS on the rear. Okay, a little action for you today. Like I said, there's a special announcement video coming out in a couple weeks, but I just thought I'd share this with you. Alright. Talk to you guys later.